is a set of 30 1/4-inch screwdriver bits with a magnetic holder made by Beta. The set comes in a convenient plastic carrying case with all the bits being nicely packed and organized. Bit marking allows for easier identifications of the required bit. They are also color-coded according to their type. A quick-release mechanism applied to a magnetic holder makes locking and unlocking bits very secure. The set contains following bits: 8 Torx with a bore hole, 8 hex, 4 Pozidriv, 5 Phillips and 5 slotted. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.